You may find them cute, cuddly, and even irresistible, but beware. Some of the world's most adorable creatures harbor deadly secrets. Yes, you heard that right. Underneath those fluffy exteriors and innocent eyes lurk dangers you wouldn't even dream of. Who would ever suspect that some of the most charming members of the animal kingdom could be lethal predators or carriers of potent venom? It's a shocking reality that turns our perceptions upside down. Just imagine, a countdown of 10 cute creatures that could spell danger or even death. From the underwater world to the treetops, from the Arctic wilderness to your own backyard, we're about to embark on a thrilling journey. So brace yourselves. This is not your everyday wildlife documentary. It's a roller coaster ride through the darker side of nature's beauty. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the lethal truth about these seemingly innocent animals. Starting off our countdown, we have the peculiar and adorable duck-billed platypus. This oddball of nature hailing from the land down under is as deceptive as they come. While it may look like a harmless cross between a duck and a beaver, this creature hides a surprising secret. You see, male platypuses possess a venomous spur on their hind legs. Yes, venomous. This spur can deliver a sting strong enough to cause severe pain to humans, and it's not just a little discomfort we're talking about. The pain is so excruciating that it can incapacitate a grown adult. Even worse, it's resistant to most painkillers. So if you're thinking of getting close to one, think again. But that's not all that makes this creature unique. The duck-billed platypus is one of the few mammals that lay eggs. Yes, you heard it right. Eggs. It's like this creature is breaking all the rules of biology. And let's not forget its electroreception. This fancy term simply means that the platypus can sense electric fields produced by prey. It's like having built-in night vision goggles, but for underwater hunting. So, while they may appear cute and harmless, platypuses pack a painful punch. These deceptive creatures remind us that looks can be deceiving, and in the animal kingdom it's always wise to keep your distance. Next on our list, the small but mighty blue-ringed octopus. Hidden away in the depths of the Pacific and Indian Oceans, this petite powerhouse packs a punch with a venomous bite that spells trouble for the unsuspecting. This octopus's venom is potent, with enough power to paralyze and even cause death in humans. No anti-venom exists for this tiny terror's toxins, making it a true force to be reckoned with. Inconspicuous at first glance, the blue-ringed octopus is a master of disguise, blending seamlessly with its surroundings. But don't be fooled by its unassuming appearance. When threatened, it reveals its true colors, flashing vibrant blue rings as a warning to predators. A sight to behold, but a signal to steer clear. So, while its stunning spectacle might tempt you for a closer look, it's best to keep your distance. This little creature is proof that size doesn't matter when it comes to danger. Number 8 on our list is the vibrant poison dart frog. Now, it's hard to miss this tiny creature with its shockingly bright hues. This is no fashion statement though. The poison dart frog's vivid colors are nature's way of saying, "Stay back, I'm dangerous." This is a classic example of what we call aposematism, where dangerous or poisonous animals use bright colors to warn predators of their toxicity. Speaking of toxicity, the skin of the poison dart frog is laced with a potent neurotoxin that can paralyze or even kill predators. This toxin is so deadly that indigenous tribes of Central and South America have been known to use it to poison the tips of their blowgun darts. Hence the name poison dart frog. But why would something so small need such a deadly defense mechanism? The answer lies in the frog's diet. While most frogs feast on ants, beetles, and spiders, the poison dart frog has a taste for mites and ants that are loaded with alkaloids. These alkaloids are then processed in the frog's body to produce the lethal toxin. So, while their radiant colors might be enticing, these little amphibians are anything but harmless. Despite their size, they carry enough poison to deter any would-be predator. A testament to the fact that sometimes, the most beautiful things in nature are also the most deadly. These colorful creatures are a beautiful danger lurking in the rainforest. Coming up next, the seemingly innocent slow loris. With its large round eyes and soft fur, you might mistake this critter for a cuddly toy. But don't let its adorable exterior fool you. Hidden in its elbow creases is a gland that produces a toxic secretion. When threatened, the slow loris will lick this gland and deliver a toxic bite, a unique trait among mammals. This venom can cause painful swelling, and in rare cases, even death. Despite its toxic defense, the slow loris is a victim of its own cuteness. Their irresistibly adorable looks have made them a target for the illegal pet trade, leading to their status as an endangered species. Conservation efforts are ongoing to protect these unique creatures from further harm. So the next time you come across a slow loris, remember, there's more beneath that fluffy surface than cuddly innocence. It's clear that the slow loris is more than meets the eye. Halfway through our list we find the pufferfish. A seemingly harmless creature that balloons up when threatened, it's actually one of the most poisonous vertebrates in the world. The real kicker? It doesn't produce its own poison. Instead, it accumulates lethal tetrodotoxin from bacteria in its diet. This toxin is up to 1,200 times more poisonous than cyanide. Just one pufferfish carries enough toxin to wipe out 30 adult humans with no known antidote. Astonishing, isn't it? But here's the twist. Despite this deadly defense, the pufferfish is a highly sought-after ingredient in Japanese cuisine. Known as fugu, it's a delicacy that requires a specially licensed chef to prepare. Even a slight mistake can turn a fancy dinner into a fatal disaster. But for those who dare, the thrill of tasting the forbidden is too enticing to resist. This fish is a deadly delicacy indeed. In the fourth spot, we have the cone snail. Now don't let its innocuous name fool you. This slow-moving marine creature packs a punch that is far from pedestrian. Its beauty lies in its shell, a charming spiral masterpiece that could easily be mistaken for a harmless piece of oceanic art, but contained within this shell is a lethal weapon, a venomous harpoon. This is no ordinary snail. The cone snail, in a blink of an eye, can launch this venomous harpoon to stun and paralyze its prey. But it's not just small marine creatures that need to be cautious. This venom can be fatal to humans as well. Yes, you heard it right. This unassuming snail can potentially take down a human being. Imagine this. The cone snail's venom is so potent that one drop can kill up to 20 adults. This tiny, slow creature carries enough venom to cause serious harm, and even death. It's a perfect example of the phrase, "Don't judge a book by its cover." The venom is a complex cocktail of hundreds of different toxins, and once it enters the body, there's no known anti-venom. It's an underwater sniper with a beautiful shell camouflage and a fatal sting. So the next time you're at the beach and you spot a beautiful shell, think twice. Underneath that beauty could be a deadly cone snail. This snail is definitely not one to pick up at the beach. Coming in at number 3, the hooded pitohui. This bird, native to the rainforests of New Guinea, is a vibrant splash of color in the lush green backdrop. But don't let its beauty fool you. The hooded pitohui harbors a deadly secret in its feathers and skin. This bird is one of the only known poisonous avians in the world. Its feathers and skin contain batrachotoxin, a potent neurotoxin also found in the skin of poison dart frogs. This toxin, when ingested or even touched, can cause numbness, tingling, and in severe cases paralysis or death. The hooded pitohui acquires this poison from its diet, which includes choricine beetles, the primary source of batrachotoxin. This toxic plumage serves as a deterrent to potential predators, making the hooded pitohui a less appealing meal. So while the hooded pitohui might be a treat for the eyes, it's certainly not a treat for the taste buds. A bird that's beautiful but deadly, a toxic combination. Runner-up on our list is the majestic polar bear. Don't let that fluffy white fur and seemingly gentle demeanor fool you. The polar bear isn't just a fluffy, cuddly creature, it's a lethal apex predator. With a predatory instinct as sharp as the ice shards in its Arctic home, it is a master hunter. Equipped with powerful muscles and razor-sharp claws, it can take down prey as large as a walrus. But there's more to this story. The polar bear, despite its killer instinct, is fighting its own battle for survival. Climate change is shrinking their icy habitat, making it harder for them to hunt and survive. It's a grim reminder that even the most powerful creatures on Earth are not immune to the effects of human-induced changes to our planet. This icy predator is a deadly beauty in the Arctic wilderness. Topping our list is the most deadly cute animal, the box jellyfish. This transparent, ethereal creature might seem harmless, but it packs a potent punch that can be fatal to humans and other creatures alike. The box jellyfish, also known as the sea wasp or marine stinger, is not your average jellyfish. It's a master of disguise, almost completely transparent in the water. This invisibility cloak allows it to glide undetected through the ocean's depths, making it a silent but deadly inhabitant of the seas. But what makes the box jellyfish so dangerous? It's the potent venom that it carries. This venom is considered one of the most deadly in the world. It targets the heart, nervous system, and skin cells, causing an array of symptoms including pain, heart failure, and potentially even death. It's a swift and potent weapon, delivering its deadly cocktail in mere moments. And it's not just the potency of the venom that's concerning, but also the volume. Each box jellyfish can carry enough venom to kill over 60 people. That's more than a small bus full of people. Imagine the devastation this seemingly delicate creature can cause. While the box jellyfish is a fascinating creature, it's essential to remember the dangers it poses, particularly to swimmers and divers. Despite its ethereal beauty, a close encounter with this creature can have severe, even fatal consequences. It's a stark reminder that in nature, appearances can be deceiving. So next time you're enjoying the serene beauty of the ocean, remember the box jellyfish. This deadly yet beautiful creature is a testament to the fascinating but often dangerous diversity of our planet's wildlife. And so we come to the end of our journey through the world of cute but deadly animals. The box jellyfish truly is the epitome of deceptive beauty. From its near-invisible appearance to its potent venom, it's a creature that reminds us of the power and peril that can lie beneath the surface, even in the most beautiful of creatures. Those were the 10 cute but deadly animals that might surprise you. Who knew that beneath such adorable exteriors could lie such lethal abilities? It's a wild world out there, and it's full of surprises. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've explored today. We started off with the duck-billed platypus, an unassuming creature with a bill like a duck, a tail like a beaver, and feet like an otter. But it's not their odd appearance that makes them so intriguing. It's their venomous spurs that pack a punch. They remind us that looks can be deceiving, and that even the most unlikely animals can pack a surprising and painful punch. Then, we dove into the deep with the blue-ringed octopus, a tiny creature with a big reputation. Its stunning blue rings are enchanting, yet a clear signal of the deadly neurotoxin they carry. One bite from this little octopus, and it's lights out. A stark reminder that beauty can sometimes be a dangerous trap. And how about the shockingly vibrant poison dart frog? It's hard to miss with its bright and bold colors. But as we've learned, these colors are not just for show. They are a billboard advertising their deadly poison, potent enough to stop a heart. It's a clear instance of nature's way of saying, look, but don't touch. Our journey then led us to the slow loris, a seemingly innocent and sluggish primate. But as we discovered, its cuteness is a clever disguise for its toxic bite. It's a fascinating example of how some creatures use their appearance to their advantage, lulling potential threats into a false sense of security. We also learned about the pufferfish, an adorable aquatic creature that transforms into a spiky ball when threatened. But its spikes are not the only defense it has. Its organs contain a lethal toxin that can cause paralysis and even death. It's a classic case of an underdog with an unexpected upper hand. Then there's the cone snail, a creature that could easily be mistaken for a harmless shell on a beach. But as we've seen, it hides a deadly harpoon that can pierce through skin and deliver a fatal dose of venom. It's a chilling example of how danger can lurk in the most unexpected places. And let's not forget the hooded pitohui, a bird with a vibrant orange and black plumage. But as we've discovered, its feathers are laced with a potent neurotoxin. It's a striking example of how some creatures are not just visually stunning, but also surprisingly lethal. We also talked about the polar bear, an icon of the Arctic. It might look cuddly, but it's a highly skilled predator with a killer instinct. It's a sobering reminder that even the most majestic creatures can be deadly. And finally, we delved into the world of the box jellyfish, a creature that looks more like a floating plastic bag than a dangerous animal. But as we've seen, its tentacles pack a powerful punch, carrying venom that can cause heart failure. It's a stark reminder that appearances can be incredibly deceiving. These are just a handful of examples of the surprising and often deadly creatures that share our planet. Each one a testament to the incredible diversity, complexity, and sometimes, the hidden danger that nature holds. But don't worry. There are plenty more surprising facts to uncover. This is just the tip of the iceberg. From the mysteries of the deep sea to the wonders of the vast cosmos, there's always something new to learn. So if you enjoyed today's journey into the dangerous side of cute, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We've got a plethora of shocking and fascinating facts about the world around you waiting to be discovered. Stay curious and stay safe out there.